The Kärcher SC3 steam cleaner is part of the range of products developed by the world's leading provider of cleaning technology. The SC3 is Kärcher's fastest heating steam cleaner and is ready to use in just 30 seconds. And with all the accessories you need, this steam cleaner can be used to clean any surface. Using nothing but tap water, the SC3 deep cleans all round your home, killing 99.99% of bacteria. Using the extension poles, specially designed floor tool and microfiber cloth ensures a deep clean on any type of hard flooring, including stone, laminate and vinyl. A simple switch to the hand tool and you can continue easily cleaning all those surfaces that usually require a deep scrub. From tiles, work surfaces, cooker hobs and doors, to glass and shower screens, the SC3 is perfect for them all. The detailed nozzle and brush lets you complete the job by getting to all those difficult, hard to clean places where grime and limescale builds up. What's more, the SC3 can be continually refilled, so when the water level drops, you can easily refill and continue cleaning without delay. Once finished, the steam cleaner can be easily stored and the microfiber cloths can be washed in your washing machine.
If you're ready to take action now, please click on the link below this video for more information.